It was an amazing experience to watch the bats getting all excited as the sun starts setting. This is one of the biggest mammal migrations in the world, where 8 million plus fruit bats come to roost every year around August, September, October, November. Just before sunset, they start taking off in big groups. The sound of their wings becomes more intense and the sky slowly turns dark as they go out looking for food through the night. They travel up to 100 kilometers in search of fruit of all kinds.